I'm Anuja Mashruwala from Namaskar Lifestyle. Today I'm going to introduce our ancient facial tool called Shankha. This comes from Ayurveda almost thousands of years back and also from the Indian mythology. Shankha is made up of calcium carbonate and also has medicinal properties like minerals, vitamins, and also possesses antacid and digestive properties. It is a cooling agent and also neutralizes pitta dosha. We all know calcium carbonate has calcium carbonate and oxygen, which is very vital for our skin health. And the way of using or holding mudra is also a part of Vedic mudra, part of the Vedic mudra. So let's begin with the steps. So first, it's very important to wash your face before you start the regime. So we recommend using our Kumkumadi face wash. It's a cleanser, of course, which is again a traditional combination of kevda, kesar, sandalwood, turmeric. So we recommend that you use this face wash before you start the regime. And very important, how to hold the shankha, right? So I prefer it using it this way, but you can try whichever way sits comfortably on you. You can try it and then start using it. I recommend that before you start using it, use it on the face and the shoulder to get a knack of you holding it and using it so that you don't hurt yourself. The step number one is so before the step we use this Shilajit face serum, which we again recommend. This is an Ayurvedic blend with modern science. So it has your propolis oil, Shilajit, Kumkumadi oil, then it has Juhi, jasmine, and also vetiver, patchouli, and ilang ilang. So we have lots of blends of different oils and ingredients. So I'm going to take a little few drops of these oils and put a thin layer on my face. So once it's evenly spread, I'm going to start the steps. So first is this: you of course hold it properly, comfortably. Then the first step is from your shoulder bone, you stroke upwards to your cheekbone, right? This. So now what we recommend is doing 3 to 6 times on the each side, right? So stroking of shoulder bone towards the cheekbone, then you rub your chin cleft, so you go round, rub it circular form. Then is from your cheekbone towards your ears. So like I said, alternate stroking is what we recommend. So you can go like this, and then you can probably push your shoulder up and do it on the other side. Like this. Then the third step is your cheek towards your ears. Then from your nose, so you do upward stroking from your nose towards your forehead, emphasizing it on the sides as well, right? Then is the circling around the eyes. So depending on the time you have, you can do number of strokes. Then is the forehead stroking. Then the eighth step, number 8, is the movement, rocking movement. So you place the shankha between your nose and the upper lip, and you stroke upwards towards your temples. Right, and the last step is the shoulder effleurage. So from your um, from the center of your chest, you just stroke upwards towards your shoulder bone. Yeah, so these are total 9 steps uh, of using the shankha. And then maybe you want to wipe off the extra oil on your face or just let it absorb, And very important, we recommend that you wash shankha after every use, and it's used by you and not anybody else, because it's your energy, your power, right? And it's your body. But of course, in case if somebody else wants to use it, we recommend that you wash it with salt water before it's being used. So what are the benefits of this Ayurvedic ritual? Number 1, it helps for blood circulation. 2, treats your dry and dull skin. Number 3, it helps reduce acne, also the puffiness of the skin and under eye bags. Also, it's a very good anti-aging solution, and very important, it sculptures your face. So guys, it has some tremendous amount of goodness which helps in pressure points, which gives pressure point to your neck, face and shoulder, and also helps to restore your younger looking skin. So get your ultimate facial buddy today. Thank you and namaskar.